Fix ang hair. Okay, go. One.
Hi guys!
Again.
How do we do it, Mommy B? How are you, vlog? Welcome to my... Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Again.
Okay.
Hi guys! Welcome to your vlog.
Okay. Let's do the color game challenge. When I say, go back sa mga ito. Back.
Ano?
No.
Ano, ate?
Okay. When I say, don't touch the black, don't touch the black. When I say, touch the pink, touch the pink. When I say, don't touch the purple, don't touch the purple. Okay, you understand?
Understand.
Okay, dali.
Wait.
Dali, go. One. Don't touch the color purple. I said don't.
Ay. Balik ka.
Again.
Balik.
Basta matouch kay mo anak sa nakawin na kung kinsay win mo imo anak. Okay?
Okay.
Or sa nose lang.
Yeah.
Okay, nose. Okay. Don't touch the color pink. Yan. Okay. Nose.
At nakata.
Wala. Okay, ana lang. Wala layout. Okay, don't touch the color purple. Okay. Touch the color black. Okay. Touch the color pink. Don't touch the pink. Okay. Touch the color purple. Don't touch the pink. Don't touch the black.
Don't touch your leg.
Touch the pink.
Oh!
Out! Yan.
Hindi ako tali. Ano sa purple?
Okay, she was sad. Okay, next.
Pwede na sa head. Sa head na lang, mama. Pwede sa nose head.
Sa nose lang kay.
Ay, sa head lang.
Ay, okay, mabugo ka.
Mabukol.
Mabukol ka. Okay, one. Now, don't touch color purple.
Oh, my goodness. Nakalapit.
Color pink. I said don't. Okay, ano mo.
Ako na doon sa kusip. Uy. Ang lalo ng
Okay. Touch the color purple. Touch the black. Touch the pink. Touch the purple. Touch the black. Don't touch the black. Mga smart man mo. Okay. Next game.
Yeah!
Sa kisi nakadaog.
Ako.
Good job.